Hi, welcome to Sarge Knows AP Government. Today we're going to be talking about public opinion and what public opinion is, how politicians use it, how we define it, and where we get the information from. So let's get started. So what is public opinion? Well, let's start by understanding that the United States is one of the most diverse countries in the world today. And when people look at public opinion, they try to understand what the people believe about politics and policy issues. Public opinion is especially complex in America because we have lots of different groups with a great variety of opinions. And it's made even more complex by the fact that many Americans are not very informed about the issues, and they may have contradictory attitudes about different things. Of course, if we have a democracy, as we do, the tendency is that the least informed voters are the least likely to participate in the political process. That leads to inequalities in who gets what they want. The most valuable tool we have for measuring the population of the United States was actually put into the Constitution when it was first written. It's called the U.S. Census. And every 10 years, the Census Bureau gathers data about Americans. You can see that over time, this country has become more and more diverse. And the numbers that are gained from the census are used for reapportionment, in other words, adding or subtracting representation from states, and within states for redistricting, to decide where the district boundaries are for people who vote for their congressmen. So how do people gain their political beliefs? Well, there are lots of factors that go into this. The most important of this is the family. They're the primary agent of what we call political socialization. That's how people come to understand what they're going to believe about different political issues. There are other agents out there, but for the purpose of the AP exam, understand the family is number one. But number two might just be the mass media. More and more, as people watch more TV and spend more time on the internet, the mass media has turned into almost a second parent and can drive political beliefs as well. And finally, schools act as a socializing agent, putting forth the ideals of a community into its young people. Politics is a lifetime activity, and as we get older, we not only become more firm in our political beliefs, but we tend to participate in politics more often. And so that's what political opinion is. And knowing what you know now about the diversity of the American people, their propensity to vote and to participate in politics, and the way that we learn about politics, it's time to move on in our next segment and take a look at how we find out what people really believe. Until next time, thanks for watching.